As per the specialized examination of Axie vastness costs expected in 2023, the base cost of Axie will be around $7.55. The greatest value that the Axie can reach is $18.34. Based on our Axie Limitlessness Cost Forecast 2025, the cost of Axie tokens is anticipated to rise and reach $29.48 toward the finish of 2025. Axie Coin Cost Expectation 2030. Axie Vastness Cost for 2030, as per our gauge, will be in a reach between $65.75 to $94.65, and the typical cost of Axie may be around $80.20. Cryptographic forms of money have steadily pervaded the standard awareness and built up momentum. In any case, large numbers of them neglect to go the distance and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority aim for no particular reason. Play-to-acquire games have become incredibly famous throughout the course of recent years. Axie Endlessness is one of the most mind-blowing P2E gaming universes rotating around Pokémon-esque animals known as Axies. It empowers players to gather and mint NFTs. To play Axie Limitlessness, players need to have the stage's local cryptographic money, Axie Vastness Shards. Axie was sent off in Nov 2020, and players can purchase, exchange, and procure Axie tokens by playing the game. What is Axie Boundlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie Endlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are endless approaches to procuring Axie. Yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of Axie Limitlessness. Axie Limitlessness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing cryptographic money. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired huge prevalence around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the Axie biological system in ETH, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and fabricates a vibe of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a practical stage. Clients can possess the local Axie vastness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across an always growing universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Endlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The upsides of blockchain go past lines and the constraints of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie vastness is set to make lives more engaged and quick. In an exceptional manner, the Axie Boundlessness Convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretended mediators. Axie completely centers around offering clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and immaculate, subsequently legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. With a market cap of $971,405,525 and an exchanging volume of $57,202,048, Axie Boundlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a nice recuperation. The Axie Limitlessness cost weights around $8.38, with an unequaled high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie Boundlessness has an ongoing coursing supply of 115,612,959 Axie, and the organizers behind Axie Vastness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Limitlessness has a ton of vows to view for its fans according to their specialized examination. As per specialized examination, Axie tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town, the token revised enormously and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Notwithstanding, the future cost of Axie Limitlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie Limitlessness still the best coin to purchase in 2023? Axie Boundlessness universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital currency market. The market was very unpredictable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was likewise horrible. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their possessions. Yet for new financial backers, it is an unsafe chance to enter the market. Be that as it may, since the cost is supposed to rise, brokers who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie Boundlessness shards. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2023. Our Axie Endlessness Cost Forecast recommends that the symbolics cost could record a fair recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie limitlessness cost is estimated to have a greatest worth of $18.34, while the typical cost might be around $12.94. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $7.55. Axie Vastness Coin Value Expectation 2024. According to our Axie Endlessness Cost Expectation, the Axe coin will proceed the upswing as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $22.60, while the base cost might be $15.70. Simultaneously, the Axe token could have a typical cost of around $19.15. It is normal that the Axe financial backers might acquire fair benefits in the year. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2025. Axie Boundlessness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $24.98, while the base and greatest Axie Limitlessness cost may be $20.48 and $29.48. Separately, in view of our Axie Boundlessness Coin Cost Expectation 2025, Axe Value Expectation 2026. According to the Axie Endlessness Conjecture, the Axe coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $37.34, with a base cost of $25.94. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $31.64. In light of our cost expectations, the Axie Vastness coin's cost ascend for the year may be immense. Axie Boundlessness Crypto Value Forecast 2027. In view of the specialized examination and Axie Endlessness expectation, the digital currency might exchange at a typical cost of $40.96, while the base and most extreme costs of Axe are expected to be $33.58 and $48.34. Axe Coin Value Forecast 2028. As indicated by our Axie Boundlessness expectation, the greatest worth is expected to be $59.02, while the potential low might be around $41. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $50.01 all year long. Axie Endlessness Coin Forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the expected high of the coin might have reached $75.65, according to our Axie Limitlessness Crypto Cost Expectation. Taking a gander at the past exhibition of the Axie Vastness, the base and normal costs might be around $52.55 and $64.10 individually. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2030. In view of Axe Coin Cost Forecast 2030, the base, greatest, and normal costs are anticipated to be $65.75, $94.65, and $80.20 separately. In 2030, the general cost change for Axe may be dramatic. Is it beneficial to put resources into Axie Endlessness? In view of the Axe cost expectation, it tends to be reasoned that it is productive to put resources into Axie Limitlessness as long as possible. By 2030, the normal cost of Axie Limitlessness is supposed to be around $80.20. Our Axie Limitlessness cost gauge most certainly shows that the token might have a sluggish development rate. Yet the computerized money will ascend from now on. Where could you at any point purchase Axie Boundlessness? Axie Limitlessness